Dr. Maniac Vaughn. I'd like to point out a little something, another one of those little pseudosciences that is put in place and taught as being a real science. The third law of thermodynamics is entropy. And entropy completely debunks any idea of the theory of evolution. Okay, the theory of evolution says that everything is getting more complex and working towards a greater overall outcome, that every species has evolved from another species, yet no species has ever been witnessed to give birth to a different species, and there are still species that are around that, you know, they say that we evolved from. That, why would they still be around if we evolved from them? I don't believe in primates at all, but anyways, I digress. The third law of thermodynamics is entropy, saying that everything is basically a copy of a copy, and each time it's produced, it's another copy of a copy of a copy of a copy, which digresses and gets worse and worse, comes apart. That's the law of entropy. That's what we see in nature. That's what we see happening. That's why it's a law, not a theory. I think a theory is its greatest enemy. You know, I guess the theory's whole lack of evidence is the greatest thing against, or the greatest evidence against it is the lack of evidence for it. It's a theory because there's not even one shred of empirical scientific evidence to back its claim. That right there should make it not even something that would even be taught as a mindless theory, because there's no evidence for it. To whereas you have the law of entropy, the third law of thermodynamics, aerodynamics. The third law of thermodynamics is entropy, and so entropy debunks the whole theory of evolution. Peace.